Hello guys, welcome to Web Designing HTML CSS course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 9. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Now let's start. The topic that we are going to study today is about the position property in the CSS. There are 6 position properties in the CSS. The first is static, relative, absolute, fixed, initial, and the sixth one is inherit. Now let me tell you the difference shortly. Static is what? Static is the by default behavior position in your website, and the relative is the position that is the normal position that you can move your div or paragraph or heading with the help of this position relative to top, left, bottom, right, anywhere you want. And the absolute property is what? Absolute, basically this is the property that we put this absolute property in the relative. You can say this is inside the relative property. Absolute property is inside the relative property, and the fixed property is what? You have seen in many websites that at the side of the website, anything you will see get a code button that is fixed. If you are going to move the browser up down, the button is not moving, the button is fixed. So this is the position fixed property, that if you are going to fix anything in your browser, then you have to put the fixed property. And the initial property is this is the by default behavior of your browser given to the position. And the inherit is what is given to the property in your website in the inheritance, right? Now let's start. Practically I'm going to tell you that what is the difference between these properties. Now let's start. This is our HTML file and this is our CSS file, right? In the last lectures I have told you that how you can put the menu and how you can put this hover color and how you can put these images in the menu or in the list, and what how you can put this border width, headings, each and everything I have told you. If you do not understand anything or anyone is new one here, you can review my last lectures, and if you do not understand anything you can comment me, I will answer your questions. Now guys, we are going to start our topic from here. Now this is my HTML file. What I will do is, because I have to do work in the container, so I will write everything in the container div. So this is my closing container div at the end. So here what I will write, I will create a one div, right? In between I will write here like block 1, or you can say block. I'm going to tell you the positions with the help of the block. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the block is written in the container. Now what I want to do is I want to see this output in the middle. So for this purpose, what I will do after the container div, I will write here div, and I will write here style, like margin bottom. You do not need to write this thing. I'm just doing this just to show you the output in the middle, right? I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see now the space is created. I can move this. This is the margin bottom 500 pixel just to create the space, right? Now what I will do is I will write here one class. The class name will be block 1, right? I will save this. Here this is my CSS. At the end of the CSS I will write here dot block 1, and I will write here width. What is the width is, like you can see I write here 150 pixel, and here I will write here the height is what, 150 pixels. I will save this, refresh my browser just to show you the output. You cannot see because I have not write here any border or any background, so I will write here border or background anything, but at this level I just want to show you the results in the better form. just for your better concepts, I will write here the background color, right? What color I will choose? Let's see. I will choose this color. I will save this, refresh my browser. Now here you can see this is the block one. I should change the color now because the color is not looking good. Let me change this, right? Now this is my block one. Now in the same way I will create the block two. Let me write here block one. I will save this. Now I will copy this and I will paste it here. Block two. Here you will see the same color of the blocks, but I will create these blocks with the different colors. So for this purpose I will change the class to block 2. Here I will write here block 2, right? Now you can understand this is my block 2 div, and my block 2 div CSS is here. I will copy this, paste it here. I will write here 2, and here I will change the color, like I will change the color to black. Okay, I will save this. Here you can see one is black and one is blue. Now what I want to do is I will write here position a relative, just to show you is there any difference. You can see there is no difference, so that's why I told you that this is the normal behavior. Position relative is the normal behavior, right? In the same way I will write this thing here. Is there any difference? Just to show you position relative, right? And save this. Is there any difference? No, you will not find any difference. So just to show you that the relative position relative is just like the normal behavior that you can move top, right, left, anywhere. Now just to show you this thing, what I will do is I will make it 2 more divs in HTML, and I will tell you what is the difference between the position absolute and relative here. Now this is my block 3 and this is my block 4. So I will write here 3 and I will write here 4. I will save this, refresh my browser, but you will see nothing for the last two, right? Now what I will do is, first of all, this is the black color. I just want to change the color because I want to see you the text here. So what I will do is I will change the color to this one is to like you can see I will change the green, right? I just want to show this wording because we are going to work with this working like I will tell you with this word, so you will understand better. Now I will copy this block and paste it here for 3 times. For the block 3, this one is my block 3 and this one is my block 4, right? Now I will change the colors. For this I will change the color to this one, and here I will choose the red color like this. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see the 4 blocks are created, right? Looking very good. Now what I want to do is I will tell you now what is the position relative and what is the position absolute. When you see we have put all the position relative in all my blocks, right? This is, I have told you the normal behavior, so it will do nothing here. If I will put the position absolute, what will be happen? This is my block 1. This is my block 1 CSS. I will write here position absolute. Position absolute. I will save this. Now refresh my browser. But before the refresh my browser, you will see I have put position absolute on this block 1. What it will be happen? Here you can see the block 1 is disappear. Now here the most important thing that what I want to clear you students is that block 1 is not disappear. Block 1 is hide behind the block 2. Why? Because we have put the block 1 position absolute. Here you can see. So absolute position mean when you are going to put the absolute position, then the absolute point is this one. Whenever you are going to put position absolute, so the next div will be start from this point, because the absolute position point is this, starting point is this. And if I am going to put the block 2 as a position absolute, then what will be happen? It will be hide behind this block, because this block will move here and start from this point. Let me show you. This is my block 2. So what I'm going to write here, I'm going to write the position from relative to absolute. I will write here absolute. I will save this. Now you will see this block 3 will be on block 2. Block 2 will be hide now. Here you can see, right? So this is the position absolute, right? In the same way, if I'm going to write here position absolute, I will save this. You will see the block 4 will be here and block 3 will be hide behind this block 4. So in this way I can tell you that my first 3 blocks divs are hide behind this block 4 div, because we have put the position absolute, right? And the absolute position is start from always this position, the 0 position that where our div is start from. Now what I want to show my first div here, right? How I can do this? This is very simple to do. I want to show my block 1 div here with the block 4. So for this purpose, this is my block 1. Simply I will come here and I will write here margin left. How much margin? Let me tell you. I want my block 1 here. So for this purpose, I will count the width of block 4 is 150 pixel. So I will write here margin left 150 pixel. So my div will be here. Hope you understand this thing. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me. I will answer your questions. I will write here 150 pixel. I will save my work. Here you can see block 1 is appearing here, right? Hope you understand this thing. And if I want to show my block 2 here, how I will do this? I will do what? In the block 2, I will write margin left 150 plus 150, because I want to show my block 3 here. So in the block 2, I will write here margin left, what I will write here 300 pixel. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see block 2 is appearing here. And if I will write here 200, let's say, tell me what will be happen. You can see the block 2 is on block 1 now. So in this way you can play with the positions in the CSS. Here you can see. Now what I want to do is I want my block 3 here. How I can do this? Here you have seen that I have put the margin left, where there I have put position absolute. When I will put the position absolute, then I can put margins, right? So if I want anything here, block 3 here, so for block 3 here I will put what? Margin top, because I want here, so I will put the margin top from here, because absolute position always start from this point, initial point. This is initial point of the div, right? From the initial point of the div, absolute position is start. This is initial point, so that's why I will write here margin top 200. So here I will write margin top 200. No, I will write here 150 pixels. I will save this, refresh my browser. Here you can see, right? And if I will write here 200, you can see there will be some space created in between. Here you can see. So in this way, students, you can play with the position, and you can set your div blocks anywhere in the website very easily. Hope you are understand everything. Now I think you are able to do the work in the website, and you are able to make the website. Now from the next lecture we are going to start our website. I will start making the website in the HTML and CSS, right? So practice this again and again. And if you like this video, please thumbs up my video, subscribe my channel. If you do not understand anything, you can comment me, I will answer your questions. Subscribe my channel, like my videos, and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. This is all for today. Thank you so much.